My name is Dan Tarrenton. I am the CEO of American Restoration. We are based out of Dallas with offices around the country. I also recently joined the board of the RIA yesterday, in fact. So super excited to be here at the conference this year. This is probably my sixth or seventh RIA conference. I've been in restoration since 2017. So not brand new, but relatively new, and super excited about the future of RIA. When I joined RIA, years ago, I found it to be an amazing learning experience for a person who hadn't spent tons of years in the restoration space, both working in the business and working on the business. So, felt like I've gotten great experience and got to know a lot of people in the industry, and is one of those industries that people love to share and love to help out everyone else. It's truly amazing family kind of an industry. I find it especially valuable for people who have not been part of the RIA before. A lot of opportunities for learning, a lot of opportunities for networking. You can see what the RIA is doing in terms of legislation issues, in terms of relationships with carriers, standing up and really fighting for all the rights and benefits of restoration contractors, and also staying on top of what's coming down in the future, because there are always going to be changes in any industry, and it's good to have an advocate for all of us in the contractor world.